COVID-19 has put a huge strain on families. Through lockdowns, school closures, lack of services, mental health distress, and economic crisis. All these stresses increase family conflict and violence against children. Most research evidence takes years to have impact, but sometimes you need to act very fast in a crisis situation.
As part of our ESRC GCRF-supported research, we have brought together an emergency collaboration of United Nations agencies and hundreds of NGOs to adapt and deliver evidence-based playful parenting resources to prevent violence and help families cope. Our resources have been shared by over 240 organizations and in 34 national government responses across 198 countries and territories.
We have reached 196.4 million people worldwide. Our research team brought together a collaboration of key agencies concerned with protecting children. Our resources were based on 12 randomized trials in the Global South. Through close co-creation, we adapted them for COVID and gained endorsement from all global agencies within 10 days.
With additional support from the LEGO and Oak Foundations and the Human Safety Net, we built a network of small-scale organizations and community groups, supporting them to adapt the playful parenting resources to local needs and integrate them within their own COVID-19 responses.
With the digital adaptations, what it has enabled us to do is to be able to reach to even more families, to millions of families, through the interventions when they are on lockdown and not being able to access some of those services that we would normally give face-to-face. We were then now able to send them through digital platforms, and they still had the impact where families can have some support and have spaces where they can engage through something as simple as WhatsApp and be able to connect even with other families.
The work of the Parenting COVID-19 has been absolutely impactful, both at family level and at community level. It's really made parents understand that they're being supported and communities understand the importance of parenting to prevent violence against children. At the global level, it's been invaluable to bring all actors together around the agenda in order to advocate for the importance of supporting parents.
With the support of UKRI ESRC Research Grant, we collected quantitative data from nearly 1,400 people across 15 countries and did qualitative research in 10 countries, finding high levels of acceptability and improvements in parenting, coping, and reduced violence.
I've really benefited from practicing the steps, that was given us. As a result of that, my kids, I'm able to spend time with them. They tell me to buy books for them. I come home, we all read together. And when I come back, they also tell me what they've read and then stuff that they've been able to do. So I think even though we are in a difficult time, this parenting tip has really come in to help.
In this global pandemic, children and their families deserve the very best evidence.